I just feel like, can there be a time that I will just look at myself? I won't be able to provide food.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, mo kí wa. This is so pathetic. Story gbomijé lójú ẹni o. Kẹ́yàn rírú àwọn èèyàn bí ilé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lẹ́yìn ń rí. But a lot of táwọn èèyàn pass through. Àwọn èèyàn pass through a lot. People are passing through a lot. Ẹ wo arábìnrin Busola ọ̀kẹ́ Eleyele. Àwọn eléyìí láti ìgbà tí wọ́n ti reign tó yẹ pé àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ wọ́n gbajúgbajà ni wọ́n. Gbajúgbajà òkọrin táwọn ayé mọ̀ wọ́n. Wá di pé èèyàn ò gbóhùn wọn mọ́. Nǹkan kan ni mo fẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn kí wọ́n tẹ́tí kí wọ́n gbọ́ mi. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ṣé ẹ rí àwọn old artist wa wọ̀nyí? Wọ́n ní láti change sí ayé ní digital world tá wà yìí. Wọ́n ní láti change sí digital world. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ò get it right. Ẹ ní láti wá sórí social media. Orí social media lẹ ti lè make ẹ̀. Ayé ti kọjá ìgbà tí ẹ lọ máa kó gíṣẹ́ẹ̀dì fún àwọn marketer nǹkan kan ń gbà wọ́n yẹn. Ẹ wá sórí social media. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu arábìnrin omijé lójú. No. This is so sad. This is so sad. This is sad. Kẹ́yìn ríro arábìnrin bí lè kò nílé lórí àti jẹun ó dọ̀rọ̀ fún. Ó ń tọrọ jẹ ni. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, ó gbé etí tó ń gbọ́ mi. Ẹ ní tọrọ jẹ o. Tí ò bá fọhùn síta nǹkan tó bá lọ kú, àwọn èèyàn máa dá lẹ́bi. Èmi lérò pé èyí tó ṣe ti ẹ̀ṣẹ́, èyí tó ṣe dà, bó ṣe ké gbàjarè síta yóò dá o. Ẹ wà àtìgbà tó ti ń bò mọ́ra tó bí sọ̀rọ̀ síta. She's dying silent. She's dying silent. Kábíyèsí Elédùmarè. Ẹ̀yin olówó inú ìlú tẹ́ ń kówó tẹ́ ń náwó síbi tí ò yẹ kẹ́ ẹ channel owó sí, ẹ wo àwọn ènìyàn. Àwọn tí Ọlọ́run dá tó ní ẹ̀bùn. Ọlọ́run, ẹni tó wà nírú condition bí lè báwo gan ló ṣe fẹ́ rórin kọ? Orin wo ló fẹ́ wá sí lọ́pọlọ? Ṣé ìrònú lè jẹ́ kó rórin kọ bó ṣe wà ń sìn? Ìrònú lè jẹ́ kó rin wá sórí ìkọkúkọ la máa kọ. Ó tẹ̀ lè máa kọrin lọ kó bú sẹ́kún. Toró mọ̀ pé tóun bá kúrò lórí stage ń sìn, ibo lòun fẹ́ lọ sùn sí. Ó máa ń yà mí lẹ́nu. Irú èèyàn bí lè kú mà nílé lórí. Busola ọ̀kẹ́ Eleyele. Àtorí ẹ dọ̀rùn mo bá ẹ lọ. Olókọrin yẹn gbà yẹn. Ó ga o. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, mo kí wa níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi. Àkàlàmàgbò TV náà ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ wá farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Busola ọ̀kẹ́ Eleyele. Ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́ interview tí sister wa gbajúgbajà òṣèré orí ìtàgé ni actress Abiola àfọwọ́ kínní kan mo gbàgbé sọ ní mọ̀ tó lọ ṣe pẹ̀lú Busola ọ̀kẹ́ Eleyele nínú hòtẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ti máa wo ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀ tó wà yẹn, wọ́n gba abẹ yẹn fún ni. Wọ́n sanwó 1 month fún ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì wa kò nílé. So irú èèyàn bí lè kò nílé lórí. Táwọn eléyìí ti ń kọrin, a wà ní secondary school tí mo ti mọ arábìnrin. Mo wà ní secondary school. We are talking of 2000. Káì! Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ ká jìn sínú kòtò ayé o. Tó dẹ̀ fine, beautiful lady. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ló máa ní bọ́dì lélẹ̀ ìtàkùn wọn á ní bọ́dì, ṣùgbọ́n bọ́dì yẹn ìyà ni. Ìyà ń jẹ, kò lọ́kọ. Ọlọ́run o, ẹ ní jìyà o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ẹ jẹ́ àgbọ̀n tán wí. Ẹ ṣeun.
Fine.
You are
Okay.
So, Owano, Larry gave me, he sent me a message. While he was sending me a message, mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rí táwọn èèyàn ń tag mi ní fídíò yín nǹkan kan. Mo ń wò pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Ìgbà yẹn ni mo ń bá Lanre sọ̀rọ̀ ní àǹtí Busola ní o, Biola, you need to come, you need to máa pé kí ló dé. Then ìgbà tí mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá lọ open àwọn fídíò yẹn because mi tẹ̀ sí online, mo wá rí wọ́n ní pé ẹ fẹ́ commit suicide, that you're tired. How did we get there? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? What is it?
I never said I was going to commit suicide.
Okay.
I think it was a misconception, misinterpretation.
Okay.
I was on live. I was really frustrated, more frustrated, and I just felt like I was feeling really strange, and I was feeling very lonely. So as if I had nobody. There was nobody around me. I was just feeling exhausted. So I just went live, and I was saying, is anybody out there that cares about me? I just want to see people that loves me. And I started talking to my friends. They started reaching out. I said, please share this video and tag. Just show me you love me. I'm here. You know, as people started talking to me, I'm Busola, we're here for you and all that. People started sharing the video. We keep doing a best increase. And all of a sudden, I don't know what somebody said. I never planned to expose myself this way. I've always been someone that doesn't like to talk, someone that doesn't like to expose herself. I've been going through so much since 2020, and I've kept quiet for so long because I don't like people treating me as a pity party. I want people to be natural around me. I like people to be treating me as a subject of a charity or something. That's why I don't want to go out. I don't want to tell people my story. So that was why I kept quiet for this long. So to something someone said on that live that broke me down. That's why I started crying. Like, I'm tired. I wasn't saying that I'm tired because I want to kill myself. No, I'm a very good Christian. And I know the implication of that, not the consequence. I can't say I want to kill myself or say to back barrier or no I had to not face it. I didn't say I was going to kill myself. I was just saying I was tired. I was exhausted. Because and me saying I was tired, I was exhausted is because of what I've been through and how much I've put into my career that I'm not getting anything from. And what is going on in my life presently, what I'm going through presently. Actually, I did that video because the first reason was because I was hungry.
You were hungry?
Yes.
Hold on, Auntie Busola. You didn't have food to eat?
I'm sorry. I just feel like, can there be a time that I will just look at myself? I won't be able to provide food for myself. That can there be a time where Mommy, we need to Benny. I say I've been putting up a charade. I've been pretending to be fine, but I'm not fine. Biola, I'm not fine. Okay, let me start from this place.
Hold on, Busola. Like 2 weeks ago, I'm going to show the message. Like 2 weeks ago, I saw your missed call. And I saw your message. You sent me a message.
I actually wanted to ask you for help, but I now said, no, forget, this is not you. This is not you. This is not you. This is not you. And I just thought, I saw your missed call. I didn't call her because I changed my mind. I didn't want any publicity. I didn't want people to know what I'm going through. I just wanted to ask you for some assistance. But I now felt that this is not me. And when it gets out, people will start saying different things. They'll start laughing at me, and I hate to be laughing stock. I don't want anybody to laugh at me. I don't want anybody to say, Ọlọ́run ti mú, ó ti tán fún, àbí nǹkan kan. I don't want, see, I hate it when people see my weak side. I don't like people seeing my weak side. I always want to come out strong, because aside being a singer, I'm also a prophetess. I pray for people and I give them Bible verses. Read this, fast, your life will change and all that. I don't want to be like, so she's just preaching to us and telling us to read the Bible, and so she is also weak, and her life is like this. Biola, it is not who I am, but I don't know. If I tell you what I've been through, if I tell you what I'm going through right now, you will know why I went live yesterday. It's got to a stage. See, actually, I can't kill myself, but I actually pray to God sometimes back that, Ọlọ́run, tó bá pé o fẹ́ kí n wà láyé mọ́, tó bá dé pé wíwà láyé mi kò yẹ, pé mi ò ní any reason láti wà láyé mọ́. Olúwa ò dẹ̀ mẹ́mí mi lọ. I asked him to take my life. Gbogbo December last year, 2025, November, October, even kó wọlé mi tó due, I've been asking God to take my life. Ọlọ́run, mi ò ní para mi o, torí mo mọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, mo mọ ìyà tí màá jẹ, àmọ́ mo fẹ́ kó pè mí sọ́dọ̀. He didn't listen to me. Mo ti rò pé bá pé màá sùn níjọ́ kan tí mi ò ní jí. I love my mom very much. I don't want to hurt her. My father died since 2011, and my mom is all I've got. She loves me so much. I love her so much. I don't want to hurt her, but I just feel that one ìtìjú ni fún ẹni tí ó jẹ́ ọmọ ilépo kó wá máa tọrọ kí ọmọ aláṣọ kó máa kìsà. Ojú mi ti rí gan-an, ojú mi ti rí nǹkan tí mi ò lè sọ síta. Ojú mi ti rí àwọn nǹkan tí mi ò lè sọ síta. Ojú mi ti rí gan. But I've been quiet since 2020 because I don't want people to laugh. I don't want people to laugh at me.
Busola,
Yes.
I want you to calm down.
I
don't understand. Therefore,
yes.
3 days.
Yes.
Why?
What is it? Nígbà tá máa ṣe tó ní Mama Potter mi mo bí mix up ṣe wà flight tó yẹ kó wá lọ sí Maryland I miss it. So I miss flight yẹn kò gbogbo ẹ̀ ò tiẹ̀ wá yé mi mo wá pé ẹni tó bá mi book flight yẹn pé ẹ bá mi change flight pé ẹ bá mi get back máa ṣe èmi ò miss flight báyìí rí kí ni máa ṣe fast forward mo ṣáà àtọ́ máa rí tẹ́dẹ̀ tó máa rí for the same
Airline.
because I won't be paying anything. I'll come my scheduled date. Oh, I just 2 days after. So what it did, ọjọ́ kẹta. So we went through a lot at the airport, but in a nutshell, at the Maryland. But at the Maryland, at the airport, I do titi ọ̀rẹ́ mi ò dá mi lóhùn. Ó call me. Mo wá pé Wálé Adébáyọ̀ fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ ìyẹn ló ṣáà.
Ọ̀rẹ́ yín tó ní kẹ́ máa bọ̀
gbé call mi.
Ṣé torí pé miss flight ni ọ̀wọ́?
No, kò ṣe torí mo miss flight mi kò kàn gbé call mi. Kí má tiẹ̀ wulẹ̀ sọ yẹn jìnnà Wálé Adébáyọ̀ ló wá gbé call. So láti ló ṣẹlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ni mo wà mo ní I'm talking about Wálé Adébáyọ̀ Ṣàngó.
Ọkọ wa.
So Nàìjíríà ni mo wà mo ní Nàìjíríà ló wá kẹ́. I know in America who has stranded and all them more me true me. When you like what we call it, okay. I just plan kini I don't plan everything. We call it okay. Go ben. Lord Okosha Emi lọ sílé Wálé ní Laurel. Èmi àwọn ọmọ wa bẹ̀tẹ̀ jọ́ kejì. Mi mo be Wálé ló wá bá sọ̀rọ̀. wá gbé mi àtàwọn ọmọ kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ ọjọ́ kejì lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá bàtà délé ẹ̀ mo bí pé tí wọ́n bá welcome mi ò ní ilé wa mọ́ the attitude and so many other things that I cannot say out. So later mo kúnlẹ̀ mo gbàdá mi sọ fún Ọlọ́run Olúwa ìdá àwọn ọmọ tí máa ṣorí tó ti máa jẹ́ ní ìgbàyé ni kò jẹ́ kan wà báàbò mo ṣe pè mí from nowhere ni àbúrò mi mo ní sáré wá ní àǹtí mi ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀wà ní Amẹ́ríkà mo ní ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ sọ fún wa mo lé wa mo ní mo wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi báyìí ó ní ok mo ṣe drive wa ní lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá ọgbà tó jọyọ̀ kẹta àkúrò ń bẹ ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n wa gbà lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn àbúrò tèmi ọmọ ìyá mi bàbá mi sí mo náà sí bàbá so mọ́ mi ní wọn lamẹ́ríkà gbà ẹ̀ but ó dà kí wọ́n sáré lọ sí Èkó wọ́n bá wa ní wọ́n dé ní ọjọ́ kẹta so láti gbà yẹn làwọn ohun ti wà in fact I did not even plan for them to stay but so many other things ó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó fi dúró ọjọ́ ẹ̀yìn wá padà sí Nàìjíríà pé let me go and struggle maybe my career can pick back again when things are fine I'll come and take care of I'll come and meet my kids I'll come and take care of them and all that but àti mo ti wọ Nàìjíríà padà even ó dàbẹ̀ ni pé wọ́n fi omi ìṣẹ́wẹ̀ ọ̀dà mi bí mo ṣe wọlé gbogbo nǹkan kan kò south everything kò down everything kò down mo wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ìbọn arms kí n máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ̀fún mi ní kí ẹjọ́ nǹkan ẹ̀yìn àfẹ́ ẹ̀yìn yìí báyìí later àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fìlọ̀kulọ̀ lọ mí àwọn ọkùnrin bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fìlọ̀kulọ̀ lọ mí ó tún yá mo tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe one or two things this is that kò sí nǹkan tó ń work ìgbà míì mo máa ríṣẹ́ gbà ìgbà míì mo rí ríṣẹ́ but most of àwọn iṣẹ́ tí mo ṣe àwọn owó tí ò wọ́ tẹ̀ mọ́ mi máa sọ pé pé kí n má ṣàkọ wọn a máa sọ lédè ìlú wa pé iyó èsì ó lọ́ọ̀ rẹ̀ mo ṣàkọ mo sọ pé bá a lọ ṣe tó nǹkan bá ti rí kọ gbà ní àṣírí ká kó àṣe wà á mánéjì òkè lọ́ọ̀ rẹ̀ àmọ́ pé ìyá yìí òkè wà á máa gba àwọn iṣẹ́ tí ò wọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ just because I want to feed I'm doing this because of what I wanted. So many things so many people téèyàn rò pé èèyàn gidi ni wọ́n téèyàn pé wọ́n tọ̀nà láti jẹ́ otherwise téèyàn pé ó lápára tó bá ti lọ bẹ́ẹ̀lì mo mọ èèyàn tó pọ̀ gan-an wọn ò ṣèràn lọ́wọ́ ni àwọn àbúrò mi àwọn siblings mi wọ́n try àwọn tó jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ mi nínú wọn tó máa sọ pé then ẹ̀gbọ́n mi elder brother mi tó wà ní America bọ̀dá wálé àwọn náà try wọ́n try gan-an but àwọn náà face àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n so many other things I get help from few people but ẹni tó wà nínú àgbà mi issue tó ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ kékeré fún máa ṣe ètò nípa ẹ̀tọ́ ìyá tó padà sí the same level so ìgbà tí ó dé ojú ẹ̀ manager mi decide láti help me ojú ẹ̀ ò gbà mọ́. This woman is a very nice person and she doesn't deserve this. She helped me pé mom say sọ̀rọ̀ mom say they like me gan àjọ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ní àpò ènìyàn kò máa suffer báyìí kò máa bọ̀ but I must be sincere with you. The father didn't know that I was in that house. So it was only my manager and his mom.
Before then, what happened to your own house?
Yes. My rentage ran out and I couldn't pay. So I had
could not pay for your rent?
Yeah.
Where were you living?
I don't want to mention the area, but I was living at Fakojaye area.
How much were you paying?
I was paying 1 million naira.
You could not have.
And they inflicted the price, and I couldn't afford, so I had to quit. Said anybody do what in the song, implementing or quit, so I had to quit.
So the rent was less than 2 million, I'm sure.
It was less than 2 million.
But you could not pay.
I couldn't pay. Because I was already struggling to eat.
At that time?
At that time, yes.
When was this?
That was since last year. Last year, September. So, this is the October 1st. So, I started calling people for help. I didn't get help. Calling our bro me was sent 500,000. Sure, mommy. Mommy said, and my brother said, you won't go for him, go for him, go away, you go for him. Away, go for John Tony, dear. Because who told Bali, I was just using to survive. I told you, I was in my demo, in Singapore. Me, we need to last 2020. 1 year more. Because I'm not the kind of person that man live fake life. The man joke with I don't pass my boundary. Tí bá ti ní ibi tó wà ìpínlẹ̀ tó fẹ́ lọ, máa gbé Uber lọ. Show tí mo máa gbà, show tí owó ọ̀tẹ̀ because mo fẹ́ jẹun. Tí bá ti di owó tí wà tó mọ́tò tó dúró sí mi tó gbé mi wá show tó dẹ̀ máa dúró mọ́jú tó bá gbọ́ lọ́dọ̀ kejì. Owó tó máa gbà, owó ti tán. Àwọn ọmọ bá ní máa fún ọ owó mọ́tò pé àìjọ ẹ má bínú nǹkan wa ó kì í sìn. Débi pé àwọn ọmọ bá ní wá fọ́ọ̀mù kákọ́ọ̀sì. Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi láìka lẹ́yìn kíníkan ṣòwò nìkan ni ó kọ̀ lórúkọ ni kò lówó lọ́wọ́ àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ yẹn ẹgbẹ́ mọ́ àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ọ̀fẹ́ fẹ́ pé tó má pè mí kí wọ́n á ṣeré níbì kan bí a kò wéyàn wọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ máa sọ fún wọn á máa give excuses mọ́mí àwọn sick gan àwọn ò lè wá o àwọn lọ sí wọ́n fẹ́ yọ ọyàn òkú dáadé àwọn padà wọ́n fẹ́ ọmọ máa give oríṣiríṣi excuses ẹni máa ní àwọn ní kò ṣègbélé ń church o wọ́n ní wọn gbọdọ̀ kó ń church the next 21 days wọ́n ṣe máa yọ mi ìgbà míì tàbá sí show mẹ́rin márùn pé la máa lórí stage a máa bẹ̀wọ̀ church yẹn pé ẹjọ́ àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ́jọ ṣe lè yẹ wá ẹjọ́ yẹn wá ẹni ṣe máa rí pé àwọn fídíò míì ti wá post àmúlùmálà ní tọdún kan táwọn ọmọ bá lè máa tọdún táwọn ojú ọ̀rọ̀ máa lọ oríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ń lọ títí táwọn kan fi bẹ̀ sí misbehave ní àwọn executive yẹn tó ṣàṣìdá gbogbo báńdì tí mo ní báńdì mọ́ àwọn bíi mẹ́rin márùn kan wá dúró ìpè Busola anywhere you go we go mi ò lè gbàgbé mi ò dẹ̀ lè yé sọ Ṣèyí Dọ́kíà ó ní lead talking drama mi he has stood by me for better or worse Ṣèyí Dọ́kíà tó bá ń gbọ́ mi anywhere you are he has stood by me even 2020 bá ti gbogbo nǹkan dojúrú ó dúró tì mí òun nìkan he stood by me he didn't leave me òun nìkan náà wọ́n bá mi Ṣèyí Dọ́kíà dúró and some people not to dúró Ayọ̀ my PA Ayọ̀mídé like 4 or 5 of them wọ́n wá ní àti Busola bá ti ní show amama pé àwọn èèyàn tó join wa there's a new girl not tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ join wa she's a very good girl Kẹ́hìndé òun náà dúró anytime any day pé owó mọ́tò nìkan ló máa ń yọ mi ò ń gbowó gidi torí mi ò kàn lè jókòó lé kí n má ro jẹjẹ. Oh God. Mi ò mọ̀ pé life mi ó lè wà tẹ́lẹ̀ fún yìí mi ò mọ̀ Bíọ́lá mi ò mọ̀ pé life mi lè wà tẹ́lẹ̀ fún yìí. Àdúrà gbogbo rẹ̀ tí mo ti ṣe láyé mi. Gbèsè ni mo fi ń lólé ayé mi. Gbèsè ni mo fi ń live. Gbèsè ni mo fi ń run life mi. I owe a lot of people, family and friends. When I say family, not my family, my blood family, but people that I call family. I owe family and friends money just to survive. And I don't know what can happen to me tomorrow. I don't know, but mo gbàdúrà pé ire ni kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi. Mo fẹ́ san gbogbo gbèsè ọrùn mi.
Gbèsè tó jẹ́ máa tó èlò.
I don't want to discuss it, but mo jẹ́wọ́ mo jẹ àwọn èèyàn lówó, but mo jẹ àwọn èèyàn lówó. Mi ò fẹ́ ní gbèsè lọ́rùn títí tí màá fi jáde láyé. Mo fẹ́ ní lọ́rùn, but it's not that it's too much. I just want to be free of debt, and I want my life back. I want to be free. Ọ̀run wọ̀ mí. mi ò ṣe torí kéèyàn lè san ṣe fọlọ́ mi lọ́rọ̀ kò ṣá my band is where it is but àwọn tí mi ò rò wọ́n lè dúró tì mí ló wá dúró àwọn tí mo pè léèyàn tàtijọ́ pọ̀ ti pẹ́ wọ́n fi mí sílẹ̀ èmi lọ dá báńdì títí ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ èmi lọ wá pe àwọn ọmọ báńdì mi kan wá máa play fóun ẹ̀mí pé tí wọ́n bá ti lówó lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó lówó lọ́wọ́ lọ́gá ẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi kọ́ ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi oríṣiríṣi kọ́ ni mo rí mo ti lọ sí ibì kan rí tọ́nà fẹ́ help me tó jẹ́ pé ìṣe ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi lọ́kùlọ̀ lọ mí níbẹ̀ tí mo kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ fún mi lówó mọ́tò tí wọ́n wá gbé èèyàn kọ́kọ́ wá gbé mi bí tí mo wà mo sọ fún bàbá yẹn máa ń gbé mi wọ́n dàbí bàbá sí mi wọ́n wá pè wọ́n ní dáàdì mi wọ́n kọ́ wá gbé mi níbẹ̀ torí ẹni tó sọ pé òun fẹ́ help mi kò help mi mọ́ torí mo ní mi ò lè tẹ́lẹ̀ wọnú hotel bàbá wá gbé mi bẹ́ẹ̀ láìpẹ́ kọ́ bó wọ́n mi wọ́n ní Busola má worry things will be okay ojú mi ti rí nǹkan ojú mi ti rí nǹkan ojú mi ti rí gan àti nǹkan tí mi ò lè sọ àmọ́ mo di òpó Ọlọ́run mú ìgbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ nílé tí mo ń gbé ẹrù yẹn pọ̀ kò sí mi ò lè gbé sí àjọsọ báyìí o kìíní kan débi pé àbúrò ẹni yẹn wá tún pè ó gba nọ́mbà tó tún pè fẹ́ máa threaten me directly pé ṣe àwọn bọ́lọ́kà gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ gbogbo eléyìí ṣé àwọn bọ́lọ́kà gbọ́dọ̀ báyìí gbọ́ pé ẹ̀ nílé lórí ẹ wá tọ́jú ẹrù yẹn sílé wa àráyè ṣe family meeting ẹ kẹ́rù sínú ilé. I was so depressed. I started using depression drug. Tí bá ti lò báyìí mo máa sùn mo lè sùn 2 days. Tí mo máa disconnect from everybody. I started feeling like it's the end, but 1 week ago, no, particularly 1 week, 2 days ago, less than 7 days, Holy Spirit told me to pray for 7 nights. I should ask for mercy. Mo dẹ̀ ní program tí máa ṣe lálẹ́ tí máa fi ń gbàdúrà. A máa ń pè ní night prayer. Mo máa gbàdúrà pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn. So mo máa sọ fún wọn pé a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ 7 days o. Àná yẹ kó lóye kó pé the 6th night. People were following me, they were joining me for the prayer. Àná lóye kó pé 6th night. Online. On TikTok. But I was too depressed to go live. But everybody called on me. And all our best, láàrin iwájú, láàrin Eleyele at all our best. Ìbàdàn I did not make that video for it to mo ṣe life yẹn kí n communicate with our fans because I was depressed. I just wanted to hear somebody say I love you. I felt like I was alone in this world, that nobody was there for me. So that was why I made the video. I'm not pay 1,300 people, 1.3K. People start screen recording, no medias. They already did that. When you say, I'm sorry for coming out. Fans, I'm sorry. Only feel bad. Favorite. So I apologized. I said goodbye. I wanted to end the life. That was why I said goodbye. I didn't say I was going to kill myself. I'm a Christian. I can't do that. I said goodbye. With a call thing. But after ending the life, I cried like a baby. I was so depressed. I felt so bad. Why did I do this? Me ò tiẹ̀ tí sọ pé kí n tiẹ̀ dìde níbi tí mo jókòó sí lórí bed tí mo wà. Ní Alábẹ́sì pè mí. Àǹtí mi, níbo lẹ wà? Mo ní mi ò sí nílé. Mo ní ẹ̀ sí níbi tí báwo. Mo ní hotel ọ̀kan ni mo wà. Because ìgbà tí kò sí ibi tí máa sùn, tí ò sí ibi tí máa gbé. Mo ti sùn káàkiri mo fi lé manager mi sílẹ̀ because mi ò fẹ́ káṣírí lọ tú kí dáàdi á sọ pé ẹ tọ́jú
manager yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹni pé nígbà tẹ́ kúrò nílé ọ̀dọ̀ yín ṣọ́dọ̀ wọn lẹ lọ straight. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Okay, so he helped me to stay in their house with the help of his mom.
and his father doesn't know. So tí wọ́n fẹ́ bọ́ta mo máa yọ bọ́ta máa ti tó lọ sí toilet lọ sí gbá lọ sí every time mo máa sunkún. So when he comes he drinks food for me. Queen ṣé kò sí táyà sunkún ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ oúnjẹ wà ní àkọsí kankan. Ìgbà míì báyìí mo máa wà very pressed wà ní àfẹ́ bọ́ta dájú wà ní kí ní sùúrù ẹgbẹ́ náà bá ń yọjú síbẹ̀ sùn. I now told my goddaughter, Modupe, God bless you for everything you've done for me. She now said, Mama, I'll send you some money now. Just manage to be eating, to be surviving. Okay, and Laura Kosha, Osha's son, will tell for me láti on the 22nd to 22nd, 1 month. 22nd of this month. Was 22nd they were one person struggle at some way. My Toro Lawayo, Joe, Bami, Joe, my son will tell you.
Every day for the past 2 months.
Then you can go and ask them, go and interview them. Yes. Yeah. I know they want them won't be back. Who should get him when you jet? The plate one is 7,000. 6,500. So, the manager will go and don't get one. Then we go to one roadside food. We shall be what I go and show Atakara. My manager really tried for me. I've never seen anybody like that before. He stood by me and they were no. Biola, she came. Me first of come home. She was so. It's too heavy, please.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's too heavy. I don't want to talk again. It's too heavy.
It's okay.
I don't want my mom to see all these things. My mom is always 82. It's so sad. When she calls me, I'll tell her everything is fine. She'll see how far I've